Stitching generally refers to the process of joining together pieces of fabric or other materials using a needle and thread to create a unified whole. It is a common technique in sewing and is used to make clothing, accessories, and various other fabric-based items. Stitching can be done by hand, using a sewing machine, or even by specialized machines in industrial settings. Here are some common types of stitching. Hand stitching. This is the traditional method of sewing, where a needle and thread are manipulated by hand to create various types of stitches, such as running stitch, back stitch, whip stitch, etc. Machine stitching. Sewing machines have made the stitching process faster and more efficient. They can create various types of stitches, including straight stitch, zigzag stitch, and decorative stitches. Overlock stitching, also known as serging, this type of stitching is commonly used to finish the raw edges of fabric, preventing fraying. Overlock machines use multiple threads to create a secure stitch. Lock stitching. The lock stitch is formed when the needle thread and bobbin thread interlock within the fabric, creating a strong and durable stitch. This is the most common stitch used in sewing machines. Blind stitching. This technique is used to create an almost invisible seam, often used in hemming garments or for making inconspicuous repairs. Top stitching. A visible row of stitches applied to the outside of a garment, often used for decorative purposes or to secure seams in place. Cross stitching. A type of embroidery where X-shaped stitches are used to create a pattern or design on fabric. Quilting involves stitching together multiple layers of fabric to create a quilt or padded material. Embroidery, the art of decorating fabric with needle and thread, creating intricate patterns, designs, or pictures. Stitching is a versatile skill with numerous applications in fashion, crafting, and textile industries. It requires attention to detail, patience, and practice to achieve neat and professional results. With the advent of technology, computerized sewing machines and embroidery machines have further expanded the possibilities and precision of stitching techniques.